Hey there, Mark Justiny here. In this video, I will show to you the process and explanation of my answers of this certain problem. This problem contains that it said that if a soil sample has a dry unit weight of 19.5 kilonewton meter cube, moisture content of 8% and the specific gravity of solid particles is 2.67, calculate the following. A. The void ratio. B. Moisture unsaturated unit weight. C. The mass of water to be added to cubic meter of soil to reach 80% saturation. D. The volume of solids particles when the mass of water is 25 grams for saturation. So, let's start in part A. So in part A, I am being tasked to find the void ratio. So the formula to calculate the void ratio is E is equals to V sub V over V sub S, where E is the void ratio, V sub V is the volume of voids, V sub S is the volume of solids. First, we need to find the volume of solids, V sub S. We can calculate it using the dry unit weight, gamma D, and the specific gravity G of solids. So, as in the formula is of volume of solid is Vs is equals to 1 over gamma D times E. Given that the dry unit weight of gamma D is 19.9 kilonewton meter cube and the specific gravity is 2.67. So, we will have now to substitute the values in the formula. So we have volume of solid is equals to 1 over 19.5 times 2.67, and we have the value of 0.0706 meter cube for our volume of solid. Next, we need to calculate the volume of voids, the V sub V. We can use the moisture content W and the volume of solid Vs. So the volume of voids it has the formula, and it is V sub V is equals to W over 1 minus W times volume of solid. So, given that the moisture content W is 8% or 0.08 in decimal, we can now substitute the values in the formula of volume of voids. So, volume of voids is equals to 0.08 over 1 minus 0.08 times 0.0706 is equals to 0.0763 meter cube. Now, we can find the void ratio. It is, so as we can go back sa atong formula, it is E is equals to V sub volume of voids over volume of solids. So, substitute na natin sila. Kaya na naman tayo volume of voids over volume of solids. So, we have now the E is equals to 0.0763 over 0.706, which is our void ratio is equals to 1.08. So, that's our part A. So, in part B, we are tasked to find the moisture and saturated unit weight. So, the moisture content W is already given as 8%. To find the saturated unit weight, gamma saturated, you can use the formula Y sat is equals to gamma saturated is equals to gamma D plus W over 100 times gamma W, where gamma D is the dry unit weight, which is 19.5 kilonewton meter cube, and the W is the moisture content, which is 8% or 0.08, and gamma of W is the unit weight of water, which is approximately 9.81 kilonewton meter cube. You should know it is constant. So the gamma saturation is equals to since we have now the values the values is already given, we can find the saturated unit weight. So this, which is other siya substitute ito sa formula natin here. So unit weight of saturation is equals to 19.5 plus 0.08 over 100 times the W, which unit weight of water 9.81, which is simplified into 9.5 plus 0.078, and we can come up to the value of 19.078 kilonewton meter cube. So we have now our answer for part B. So in this part, let's proceed to the part C, which we are asked to find the mass of water to be added for 80% saturation. So to reach 80% saturation, you need to find the mass of water, M water, required. The formula is M water is equals to 0.8 times volume of solid times unit weight of water, where 0.8 represents the 80% saturation. Volume of V sub S is the volume of solids, which is 0.0706 meter cube, itong ato na calculate to kanina, and ang mass of water is equals and ang gamma W is the unit weight of water, which is approximately again of 9.81 kilonewton meter cube. So the mass of water na dayon, we can substitute it to our formula na. So mass of water is equals to 0.8 times 0.0706 times the unit weight of water, the 9.81, which we can have now our answer, which is 0.5547 kilonewton. So let's proceed now to part D. So in part D, we are asked to find the volume of solids particles of 25 grams of water. To find the volume of solids particles Vs, when the mass of water is 25 grams, 0.025 kilograms for saturation, you can use the formula of volume of solid, which is Vs is equals to m mass of water over gamma W, where we know na ang M water is the mass of water, which is 0.025 kilograms, and the gamma W is the unit weight of water, which is approximately again 9.81 kilonewton meter cube. So substitute lagyan po na ito ang formula ay ang value sa ito ang formula sa Vs. So muna siya na ang V sub S is equals to 0.025 over 9.81, which we have now our value 0.000255 meter cube. So wala to siya tanan, and I hope this calculation and explanation will suffice enough to fulfill the problem. So see you next to my next video. Bye.